All right, here we are busting 3 more boxes of Top Series 2 baseball. This is break number 4. And let's go do it. Good luck, Steven. Hey, David's here. How you doing, David? I guess we just have a spectator. Because I don't see him. Dave didn't win any teams tonight. Okay, no problem. Oh, I got a bunch left. D-backs, Giants, Mets, Padres, Phillies, Pirates, Rays, Tigers, Twins, and White Sox. Whole lot, 10 teams. I'll go, I'll start at 50. Any of you want to bid? This way I'll give you both fair shot at it, Stephen and David. It's cheaper this way too, though. Anybody want them? Or you want to bid on them? $50 starting bid? Yes, 50. Unless Steve wants them, then it's whoever wants to bid more. I was just going to keep them myself, but I'll sell them if you want them all. Steven, you want it? You want in on the action? Yeah, 5-0 for 50 teams. If Steven doesn't want to get in it, then they're yours for 50. I just got to be fair. Okay. So, Dave, they're yours for 50 if you want. It's only $5 a team, and that's with shipping. $5 for the White Sox. for the White Sox. All right, let me get that. You got the White Sox for $5. Alrighty, we're going. Good job. Here we go. Good luck. Hisashi Iwakuma, gold for the Mariners. Memorable moments, Hank Aaron for the Braves. Milestones for Felix Hernandez for the Mariners. Ty Blocks, salute for the Giants. Salute, Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. And we got a foil parallel, Greg Bird for the Yankees. '89 All-Star, Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. And we got a rediscover Topps bronze, Wade Boggs for the Red Sox. That's an original. Salute, Javier Baez for the Cubs. '87 All-Star, Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals. And we have, for the Angels, a vintage stock, Martin Maldonado for the Angels, number to 99. And we have a silver rediscovered Topps, Ellis Burks for the Red Sox. Dan Vogelbach, gold for the Mariners. Memorable moments, Ted Williams for the Red Sox. Salute, Jeff Bagwell for the Astros. Ryan Schimpf, gold for the Padres. '87 All-Star, Barry Larkin for the Reds. Sorry. Silver rediscover Topps, Omar Quintanilla for the Athletics. Memorable moments, Roger Clemens for the Red Sox. '87 All-Star, Reggie Jackson for the Yankees. We got a show card. Foil parallel, Pablo Sandoval for the Red Sox. Memorable moments, Ty Cobb for the Tigers. Memorable moments, Luis Gonzalez for the Diamondbacks. Milestones, Corey Seager for the Dodgers. We have a negative, reverse negative, Roman Quinn for the Phillies. Salute, Yolesky Gurriel for the Astros. '87 rookie, Jake Thompson for the Phillies. The show. AJ Pollock, foil parallel for the Diamondbacks. Oh yeah, they're nice. Memorable moments, Babe Ruth for the Yankees. They got Babe Ruth for both teams, so I have to look carefully. Milestones, Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Salute, Tyler Austin for the Yankees. '87 rookie, Yolesky Gurriel for the Astros. Bronze, rediscovered tops, Mike Smithson for the Twins. Memorable moments, Satchel Paige for the Indians. Luis Valbuena, gold for the Angels. First pitch, Diplo for the Cubs. Salute, Ramel Tapia for the Rockies. '87 All-Star, Josh Donaldson for the Blue Jays. Eric Burns for MLB Network. Rediscover Tops Bronze, Tommy John for the Yankees. Michael Taylor gold for the Nationals. '87 All-Star, Jason Varitek for the Red Sox. The show. Foil parallel, Jason Mott for the Rockies. Memorable moments, Mike Piazza for the Mets. Milestones, David Ortiz for the Red Sox. Max Scherzer, milestones for the Nationals. Salute, Adam Duvall for the Reds. '87 All-Star, Tom Glavine for the Braves. Bronze, rediscovered tops, Tom Brookins for the Tigers. Memorable moments, Ozzie Smith for the Cardinals. Ooh, sorry about that. First pitch, Jabberwockies for the Dodgers. And we got a Anthony Rizzo salute for the Cubs. And an Addison Russell relic for the Cubs. That is box number 1. It's funny, the Yankees win 6 in a row against the Orioles and Red Sox, and then now they lose 5 in a row against the A's and Angels. Unreal. Red Sox are losing right now against the Astros. Awesome. I think so. Ty Cobb, salute. Oh, that. I'll check. If it is, it's still it goes to me because no one bought the team. Was it towards the end or to the beginning? Let's see. I'll see it. I'll check later. Anyway, like I said, I got the team. Salute, Addison Russell for the Cubs. '87 All-Star, Starlin Marte for the Pirates. Got a black parallel Brad Boxberger, number to 66 for the Rays. Blue, rediscovered tops, Candy Maldonado for the Indians. Memorable moments, Aaron Boone for the Yankees. Milestones, Jake Arrieta for the Cubs. Salute, Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. '87 All-Star, Adam Jones for the Orioles. We got bronze rediscover, Pat Clements for the Yankees. Gavin Cecchini gold for the Mets. Memorable moments, Jimmy Fox for the Athletics. First pitch, Alex Curry for the Angels. Salute, Maikel Franco for the Phillies. '87 rookie, Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. The show card. Foil parallel, Ryan Butcher for the Padres. Memorable moments, Cal Ripken Jr. for the Orioles. Salute, Warren Spahn for the Braves. '87 rookie, Dansby Swanson for the Braves. Oh. Gold rediscovered tops, Ken Daly for the Cardinals. Memorable moments, Babe Ruth for the Yankees. Matt Cain gold for the Giants. Milestones, Trevor Story for the Rockies. Salute, Andrew Benintendi for the Red Sox. '87 rookie, Jacoby Jones for the Tigers. Mark DeRosa for MLB Network. Bronze rediscovered tops, Kiko Garcia for the Phillies. Memorable moments, Carl Yastrzemski for the Red Sox. First pitch, Camilo Camila Luddington for the Angels. Salute, Trevor Glasnow for the Pirates. 87 rookie, Seth Lugo for the Mets. Foil parallel, Eduardo Nunez for the Giants. Memorable moments, Nolan Ryan for the Astros. Got 2 more breaks. Tomorrow, Sunday, and then Monday night. And that's the last of Topps Series 2. Oh, we got some more people in the room. Milestones, David Ortiz for the Red Sox. I'm not actually looking at my computer, so I'm almost on the side behind me. Salute, Matt Strom for the Royals. Ender Inciarte, gold for the Braves. '87 All-Star, Hank Aaron for the Braves. We got a silver rediscovered Topps, Larry Walker for the Rockies. Memorable moments, Carlton Fisk for the Red Sox. Salute, Manny Machado for the Orioles. Eric Hosmer, '87 All-Star for the Royals. We got a bronze rediscovered Topps, Whitey Herzog for the Cardinals. James Loney gold for the Rangers. '87 All-Star, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. We got the show card. Jurickson Profar, foil for the Rangers. Memorable moments, Babe Ruth for the Red Sox. First pitch, Josh Duhamel for the Dodgers. Memorable moments, Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. Milestones, Albert Pujols for the Angels. Top salute, Eddie Matthews for the Braves. We got a Michael Wacha relic for the Cardinals. That is box number 2. On to the jumbos. Curtain call. Salute, Josh Donaldson for making those 2 errors for the Blue Jays. Mike Clevenger gold for the Indians. 87 rookie Manny Margot for the Padres. Sorry. Yoenis Cespedes foil parallel for the Mets. Memorable moments Babe Ruth for the Yankees. First pitch Brian Shaw for the White Sox. Top salute Trey Mancini for the Orioles. Gold Chris Iannetta for the Diamondbacks. 87 rookie Bruce Maxwell for the Athletics. Memorable moments Satchel Paige for the Indians. Milestones Albert Pujols for the Angels. We got a reverse. Who's this for? Steven. Reverse negative Ichiro for the Marlins. First pitch Steve Bowen for the Cubs. Bronze rediscovered tops Pedro Estacio for the Rockies. Salute Starlin Marte for the Pirates. 87 All-Star Sandy Koufax for the Dodgers. Memorable moments Luis Gonzalez for the Diamondbacks. First pitch Diplo for the Cubs. The different colors makes it more popular or less popular. Bronze is easy, silver, gold, blue, red. I think blue and red are the hardest ones. Gold is good, silver is good, but bronze is regular. We got a Robinson Cano Independence Day team logo patch card for the Mariners. That's what makes those useless cards a little popular. Gotta find that stamp so I could probably make $1 billion with it just selling, put them all blue. People are paying some good money for the blue ones. Salute George Brett for the Royals. Johnny Damon, 87 All-Star for the Red Sox. Foil parallel Adam Frazier for the Pirates. Memorable moments Willie Stargell for the Pirates. Bob Costas, MLB Network. And we got an autograph, Manny Margot for the Padres. Salute Gavin Cecchini for the Mets. We got a 87 rookie Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Foil parallel Jason Vargas for the Royals. Memorable moments Jackie Robinson for the Dodgers. And black parallel number to 66 Martin Maldonado for the Angels. First pitch, Ben Gibbard for the Mariners. We got a silver rediscovered Topps Bruce Bochy for the Padres. Bochy. Salute, Jose De Leon for the Rays. CC Sabathia Gold for the Yankees. 87 rookie, Teoscar Hernandez for the Astros. Memorable moments, Johnny Damon for the Red Sox. Milestones, David Ortiz for the Red Sox. And we have a Will Myers relic for the Padres. Salute, Dan Vogelbach for the Mariners. Adam Frazier Gold for the Pirates. 87 All-Star, Don Mattingly for the Yankees. Memorable moments, Bo Jackson for the Royals. Milestones, Trevor Story for the Rockies. Salute, Carlos Correa for the Astros. Gold, Tom Murphy for the Rockies. 87 All-Star, Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. Foil parallel, Dan Vogelbach for the Mariners. Memorable moments, Mark McGwire for the Cardinals. Milestones, Felix Hernandez for the Mariners. Salute, Josh Donaldson for the Blue Jays. Gold, Kevin Quackenbush for the Padres. 87 All-Star, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Memorable moments, Roger Maris for the Yankees. I think that is a variation. Will Myers, short print variation for the Padres. Nobody bought the Padres, and they got the hits. You should have bought them all. First pitch, Danny Willett for the Yankees. Bronze, rediscovered Topps, Bud Anderson for the Indians. Last pack of Jumbo. Salute, Kenny Lofton for the Indians. 87 All-Star, Derek Jeter for the Yankees. Foil, Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies. Memorable moments, Reggie Jackson for the Yankees. Milestones, David Ortiz for the Red Sox. All right, on to the free packs, or the silver packs. We got Yoan Moncada for the White Sox. Adam Jones for the Orioles. Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. An orange, numbered to 99, Steven Matz for the Mets. Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals. Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Ted Williams for the Red Sox. Frank Thomas for the White Sox. Hunter Renfroe for the Padres. Aledmys Diaz for the Cardinals. Miguel Sano for the Twins. Corey Seager for the Dodgers. And last pack of the night, Derek Jeter for the Yankees. Ryan Healy for the Athletics. George Brett for the Royals. And a blue parallel, Manny Margot, number to 115 for the Padres. And there it is. 3-box break of Top Series 2 baseball break number 4.